Hello guys, welcome in this video. Today I am back with another topic of assembly language. In my last topic of assembly language, I have given you an introduction how to take input from user and then simply display it on screen. So today's lecture is almost about that, taking input and displaying output on screen, but a little bit furthermore advanced to it. So basically the advanced thing is in this lecture we are going to display a string on screen and then are going to take input from user and then going to display that input on screen. So let's begin. uh, Open your Visual Studio. Here I am going to open my Visual Studio and I have also created a file that I have used in my previous lecture. You can create a new one by here click on create a new project, or you can use your old one. So click on it. It will take some time to load in your memory, and after that it will be, after complete loading, it will be on your screen. So this is the basic syntax of assembly language. You cannot write a code in assembly language without these commands. In MASM assembly language, in any other assembly language version, that is 885, 8051, the syntax is totally different. So here, first of all, I am going to display a message that is enter number. So first of all, in .data section, I am going to declare a variable whose name is message. Okay, message, it's a data type db, and then in double quotation marks, your message, your text, whatever you want to display it on your screen, you can write it here. So I am going to write it here, enter number. Okay, enter a number. This will be displayed on screen, and don't forget to put comma 0. This is important to define a string in MASM assembly language. Okay, so here we have done it, and after that I am going to display the second message. Again, variable name message1 that I have been defined. Okay, and then message type, that is db double byte, and then again in double quotation marks, whatever you want to display it on screen. Here I am going to display on screen is entered number is. Okay, and then again 0. So first of all, here I am going to display a message on screen, that is enter a number. So how to display a message? To display a message, we will use a destination register. Okay, move edx, then offset message. Here offset keyword will store the address of this message variable in edx. Okay, and after that, to write to display a string on our screen, I will use call write string. Basically here call command will call the function call write string in assembly language, and then basically here call function will call the write string operation in assembly language. After the execution of these two lines, you can see on my screen line 11 and 10, this message enter a number will be screen on the screen. Okay, and the next step is we are going to take input from user. So as a message has been displayed on the screen, so next step is call read int. Basically we are taking input as an integer value from the user. So this value will directly store into the accumulator register, that is, you can say ex, ax, ahal. Okay, and then we want to display the enter number. Again we will display the string message. Again we will use move edx, offset message 1, that is our this variable. Okay, this message is entered, number is, and then call right, then call right string. Now after the execution of these two lines, this message that is entered number is will be displayed on screen. And now we have to display our entered number, so we will write here call right it. We don't need to move the value of accumulator register into any variable, that's why we are not doing anything. Simply just call write it and it will take directly value from accumulator register and display it on screen. So first of all, let's build over this program. Now you can see our solution has built succeeded. So go to the next step, debugging. Start debugging. Okay, here we have a message, enter our number. So I am going to enter number 3, then press enter, and you can see, and now you can see enter number is plus 3. Basically plus 3 is because of positive integers. So this is a tutorial lecture how to display a string on screen and then take input from user, and after that display it on screen.